Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by green fields, lived a kind cow named Gory. She was white with black spots, had big gentle eyes, and a bell around her neck that rang softly as she walked. Gory lived on a small farm with her owner, an old farmer named Ramdas. Every morning, Gory would wake up early and moo softly to greet the rising sun. Ramdas loved Gory very much and treated her like family. He would feed her fresh grass, clean her shed, and talk to her as if she were his best friend. In return, Gory gave him fresh milk every day, which Ramdas sold in the village market to earn a living. One summer, the village faced a terrible drought. The grass dried up, and the rivers stopped flowing. Many animals fell ill due to the heat and lack of food. But Gory remained strong. She ate less and saved her energy. Despite the hard times, she still gave a little milk every day. Ramdas shared this milk with the poor children in the village, who had nothing to eat or drink. Everyone started calling Gory the mother cow, because of her kindness and generosity. One day, a wealthy man from the city visited the village. He saw Gory and was impressed. He offered Ramdas a large sum of money to buy her. But Ramdas refused. He said, "She is not just a cow. She is part of my family and the heart of this village." The man left, and the villagers cheered for Ramdas and Gory. Soon after, clouds gathered in the sky, and rain finally came. The fields turned green again, and life returned to the village. Gory lived a long and happy life, loved by all. Children would come to her, sit by her side, and listen to Ramdas tell stories about her courage and kindness. She became a symbol of love, strength, and devotion in the village. Moral of the story: kindness and loyalty are more valuable than money. Even in hard times, staying strong and helping others makes a big difference.